Okay guys, I just want to start this video off showing you basically how I created this link. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get rid of it right now. And I want to show you guys how this all works. So without going through basically kind of like a procedure showing you guys how to install a plugin, I'm just going to talk about it. First of all, what you do is you do need to have some kind of web hosting. So I do use Bluehost myself. And the example I'm going to show you guys is how basically you could cloak all your affiliate links for different products. It doesn't matter what product you use, you can basically cloak all your links, and it's so cool. So the way this works is that you're going to need a plugin called Pretty Links, and it is a free plugin. And there is also, you could also upgrade to the pro version. I'm not an affiliate for this product. So I just recommend you using the basic for now. And what I'm going to show you here is how to actually cloak your link. It's so cool. So first of all, what we're going to do is you have to go to, for the redirection, you have to change this to a 301 permanent. Okay, so once you do that, this is how we're going to do this. What you need to do is you need to take your affiliate link, and this is where you're going to put it. So all I'm going to do is grab my affiliate link. Okay, so my affiliate link. Okay. I'm just going to paste that. So I'm on a Mac, so I use Command V. I paste that in there. And then what you're going to do, this is so cool, is this is the domain that I'm currently on, which is https://www.clubzoid.com. And all I'm going to do is add bonus. It's nice and easy. So I'm going to add bonus to that, and then I'm going to title this Bluehost. Okay, the reason why I did this will all make sense in a sec. So now what you do is you have your affiliate link in there, and then you have your directory. So you have your domain with the / and then you just put whatever you want. Now I like to keep it simple because it's a lot easier for someone to type in when it's something like this. And also, when you use a domain, especially if your domain has SSL, which is the S on the HTTPS, is the little padlock that shows up. It's trust, so people feel more secure when they're on your site. But I'm not going to get into that right now. So basically, all you do after that is you go to publish. So what we're going to do is update. Okay, so now what we've done is we've updated it, and as you can see, the link title is Bluehost, and I teach you guys a little trick. So basically, what you can do here is you can go, you can hold the mouse button down, and you can go Command C if you're on a Mac to copy the link, or I think if you're on Windows, you can go the Windows key, so the Windows key and C, and then you would highlight the link, and then all I do is I go to a new tab. And then all I'm going to do is paste in the link, and watch this, guys. Boom, there you go. So there you go, guys. That's how you cloak a link. And if you do need some web hosting, you can definitely get started for as low as $5.53 a month, and that's in Canadian because I am in Canada. And of course, it's going to be a little bit cheaper if you're in the U.S. And there's different packages here that you could choose from. So I highly recommend, if you don't have any hosting, give it a shot. Just check it out and go from there. See if you like it. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee. I'm not trying to sell you on it. It's a service that I use myself. It's a great hosting package. And basically all you need is web hosting. If you don't have this hosting service, you can use any other hosting service and install a free Pretty Links plugin. Okay, guys? Pretty Links plugin. And you can do exactly what I just showed you guys. Okay, awesome. Talk to you soon.